The question is, a plus, in brackets, 24 divided by 6, bracket close, multiplied by, in brackets, 9 minus 5. We will definitely use a formula for this. PEMDAS? P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now, if we check this from left to right, first we will solve the parentheses. Here, multiplication and division have the same priority. Addition and subtraction also have the same priority. So when they have the same priority, we check from left to right. Whatever comes first when checking from left to right, we solve that first. So here, first we need to solve the bracket, right? 8 plus. Here, 24 divided by 6 will be 4, in brackets, times 9 minus 5, inside the bracket. We will perform 8 plus. Times 9 minus 5, we will solve this bracket. So in 9 minus 5, it'll be 4. Further, we will solve 8 plus 4 times 4. Now, 8 plus 4 times 4 will be 8 plus 16, which is 24. This is the right-hand side.